Samsung just did something nobody was expecting. This is our first real look at the Galaxy A57, and honestly, it looks way too premium to be an A-series phone. Samsung is getting ready to launch two new Galaxy A-series smartphones before the Galaxy S26 flagships arrive. These are expected to be the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57, and thanks to a new certification leak, we now have live images of the Galaxy A57 from every angle. And the first thing you'll notice? This phone is insanely slim. According to leaks, the Galaxy A57 is almost as thin as the Galaxy S26, coming in at around 6.9 millimeters, and the live images completely back this up. From the front, back, and sides, the phone looks clean, modern, and seriously premium. On the back, Samsung has introduced a redesigned camera island. It's more noticeable than what we saw on the Galaxy A56 and houses three vertically stacked cameras, with the LED flash placed right beside them. The camera bump does stick out a bit, not as much as the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but it's still clearly visible and well designed. From the side view, the phone looks razor thin, and you can also spot Samsung's key island on the right side, giving the buttons a raised signature look. Unlike older designs, the camera lens rings now sit inside the camera bump, giving it a cleaner finish. The leaked certification shows the Galaxy A57 in a purple color, and at launch, we can expect more options like black and white as well. Interestingly, the upcoming Galaxy A37 is also rumored to follow this same design language, but with a slightly thicker body. Under the hood, the Galaxy A57 will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 1680 chipset, featuring a refined CPU for better performance and an upgraded Xclipse GPU, developed with AMD using RDNA technology. That means better graphics, smoother gaming, and improved efficiency. More leaks are definitely coming, but even right now, the Galaxy A57 is already making a strong statement: slim, stylish, and powerful. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about this new Galaxy A57 design? Is Samsung finally winning the mid-range game? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if this leak excited you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung leaks, updates, and first looks. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.